I feel like eating corn, so I'm just going to wash my corn here, and I have some water on fire. I'm going to add the corn to it to put it into a boil. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So as I told you earlier, we are preparing corn. Actually, you can use milk to boil this. I've tried that once, okay, but I think it didn't add any extra taste to it. So today I decided to use my water as we do it in Ghana. So that is what I'm doing, and I really enjoy this corn. Just look at that fresh corn. I love it. So I'm going to boil this 5 minutes and we are done. Okay, actually it is written on it that you have to boil it for 3 minutes, but I did it 5 minutes, and I'm using sweet corn. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So after 5 minutes, our corn is ready. You can actually put this in salt water and enjoy. You can add some coconut and enjoy. You can actually add some boiled peanut and enjoy as well. It is so good. Thank you very much for watching, and my returning subscribers, I do appreciate whatever thing you have been doing for me, watching and liking, subscribing. You've already subscribed. Sharing, commenting under my video. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.